What's up, guys? Here with my good friend Tyler here today.
What's happening?
And we've got an interesting video for you, very interesting. So you've all seen me cook lots out in the woods, and I have decent feeds, but I'm not the best cook, but I am fairly experienced in the outdoors and around the fire. My buddy Tyler here has never cooked over an open fire, which I know is going to be a little bit ridiculous, foreign to some of you guys, I know, some of you bushcrafters, but he is a fantastic cook. He has an Instagram page called
Creme Brulee.
Creme Brulee. I'll put the link down in the description box below and you'll see it there on the screen. But he makes some fantastic fancy meals, and he's going to be cooking over the open fire today. We're going to be kind of doing a team effort. I'll be managing the fire and he'll be putting together the food. Should be fun.
I'm gonna mix up some beef. I ground some beef I bought earlier, so if we can't get it cooked, we can eat it medium. But in the beef itself, we're gonna put some red onion, just diced, a couple cloves of garlic, a little bit of feta cheese, and I got some dried chipotles here we're gonna toss in for a bit of smoke and a bit of heat. I was hoping for Havarti cheese, but I forgot it, so we're gonna have to live without that. Other than that, you got one egg, a little bit of breadcrumbs just to bring it all together. Should be a good time. Go.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
It should be good. We've got the cast iron on here now. Should be nice and hot. And the burger's made completely from scratch. Let's see if we can hear that sizzle over the waves. Woo! Best burgers, probably the best burger I've had in my life.